Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how we can add widgets on Windows 11 desktop. So further ado, let's get straight into it. Now what we need to do first is open up our Windows Start menu here and go to the Microsoft Store. Now in search bar type in widgets, like so, and search for this one, the third one, widget launcher. Click on it. As you can see, it's really nice. So I have it installed, so I will just open it. Okay, like so. Just a moment. Like that, it will open up. Right, now we have it. What we can do now is maybe choose something. Let's go for CPU meter, font color. Okay, set up font color. Okay. You can set up here the skin and then background as and border font color. When you are happy with it, just launch the widgets. Okay. Now we need to wait a little bit and launch the widget. Like so, and now we have it on our desktop. And now as you can see it, we have it on our desktop, this RAM. What we can play with a little bit, we can also maybe give world clock, launch the widget, and this is basically it, how you can add widgets then on your desktop. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next one.